Allied Restoration is able to perform any manner of restoration that would be required after fire, water, or mold damage happens inside of your property.
Most times when something happens, for instance a fire, it's not just fire that you're dealing with, you also have water damage from the firefighters coming in to put fire out. Then that also can extend to smoke damage that can go into other rooms and various parts of the property. Once Allied Restoration gets involved on a fire claim, our process starts from the very beginning with a detailed assessment of the damages, which include anything from framing to roofing to interior drywall, paint, and so forth. We'll want to create a direct line of communication with your insurance adjuster. That way we can ensure that our recommendations are approved and that we're your advocate to ensure that everything goes smoothly. We have years of experience in dealing with fire damage, and we would be the best fit to ensure that you and your family are put back the way you were before the fire.